In this video, let's talk about on how to fix the Cash App card declined by bank. So if you're having this issue where your Cash App is declined by your bank, in today's video, let's talk about a few solutions that you can try out. Now this error normally triggers when the bank blocks the connection to protect your account from possible frauds or if your card is now outdated. So the first thing that you need to do in this situation is you need to either unblock your transaction through your bank by simply requesting them or by simply calling them so that you can request the transaction to be unblocked. Secondly, what you can try out is try to relink your payment method. So you simply need to head over to your profile. First of all, remove the card that you've already added in and then try re-adding it back. So by using these few methods, you'll be able to fix the Cash App declined by the bank error. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.